Easy tulip keychain, beginner friendly. Today, we're crocheting a cute tulip keychain. Easy, fun, and perfect as a handmade gift. I hope this helps you. All right, let's start. Pick any colors you love, and you can size it up or down. I'll show every step with all the counts, nice and clear. Let's crochet it together. It turns out so cute. For yarn, I'm using a medium weight blend, cotton and acrylic. For the leaves, 5mm craft wire. A little fiberfill stuffing. 1 keychain clasp. A toothpick or a matchstick works. We just need a small wooden stick. And a 2.20mm crochet hook. Before we begin, subscribe for more quick, beginner-friendly crochet gifts. And if you enjoy this, give it a like. Now let's start. Make a slip knot, then chain 15. This chain sets the tulip's height. Want it longer? Add a few more chains. 5 chains is about 5.5 centimeters. You can go up to 6 to 6.5 centimeters. Second chain from the hook. Single crochet 14 across. If you want to make this later. Save this tutorial. It helps a lot. Chain 1, turn. Back loops only. That's the loop furthest from you. Single crochet 14. If you need, pause the video here. Make sure you have 14 single crochets. In the back loops only. Chain 1, turn. Repeat the same row. Back loops only. 14 single crochets. Chain 1, turn. Same row again. Back loops only. You're doing great. Repeat until you reach 22 rows total. 22 rows done. Now you have a rectangle. About 9 centimeters. This width is the tulip's diameter. Chain 1, leave a tail. Cut the yarn. Fold it in half, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pause here if you need. Line up the stitches neatly, front loops only, then keep joining. Use the front loops facing you. Match with the foundation chain. Slip stitch to join. Keep slip stitching all the way across. Just make sure both edges match. Nice and even. All joined. Chain 1. Pull the tail through and snug it up. Thread a yarn needle and gather the top. Zigzag through the stitches, then pull gently. Gather it. If this is helpful so far, give this video a like It supports my channel. Bring that yarn up, through the stitches. Pause here if you need. Pull the yarn up neatly, through the stitches, and keep it centered. Push the inside outward. Shape the tulip. That's the tulip base. Wrap green yarn around a wooden skewer to make the stem. Slide it through the gathered opening. Let it extend a little, but not too high. Add a little silicone adhesive inside, then stuff with fiber fill. Pause here if you need. Add the stuffing little by little. Don't overfill, just enough to keep the shape. Match the stitches, sew them together, and shape the tulip. Fold the other side. Join at the center. Attach the clasp at the top. What color tulip will you make? Tell me in the comments. And the tulip is done. So cute. Look how neat that is. Set it aside. Let it fully set. Now let's make the leaves. Green yarn. Chain 12. Run the wire inside and crochet over it. Second chain from the hook. Single crochet 3. Pause here if you need. You should have 3 single crochets done. Then we move on. Half double crochet 5. Single crochet 3. Chain 2. Single crochet again in that last space. That becomes your first single crochet on the return. Single crochet 2 more. Total 3. Half double crochet 5. Pause here if you need. Check your stitches. Next, we'll finish with 3 single crochets. Finish with 3 single crochets. Chain 2. Cut the yarn and make an invisible join. If you want the written pattern, it's linked below. Use it after you watch, so you don't miss anything. Repeat and make 2 leaves total. Glue the leaves on, just like this. Press and hold for a moment. And if you want to make this again, save it for later. And your keychain is complete. Well done. That's everything for today. I hope it was helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!